surprise.
Ay,
Sila sa amin.
ano po, dito po tayo. Ayan. For today, ang ating celebrant name ay si Sir Mako at ang ating sender ay si Ma'am Ima from Texas, USA. Of course, Sir Mako will receive a Jollibee Chicken Joy, Black Label, Money Bouquet, Dedication Cake, Bilao Shanghai, Bilao Pansit, and of course, Hanging Balloon and Banner. What are you waiting for? Tara, samahan niyo akong surprisein si Sir Mac. Kayo po si Sir Mac. Bali sir, may delivery lang po kayo and tara po.
Ay, ang pala yung surprise.
Ay,
Sila sa amin.
ano po, dito po tayo. Ayan. Ayan. So, may idea po ba kayo? Dito po siya.
Walang idea.
Ayan. Sino po ang tingin nyo ang nagbigay at nagpadala?
Si yan. Ay, jowa.
Ayan, yung jowa po. For picture lang po muna, sir. Ayan. Ayan. So, everyone, good afternoon po. We are from Send Love to Pinas po. At ngayon po ay nagdiriwa ng kanyang kaarawan si Sir Mako po. And Sir Mako, you will receive a bouquet po from her po. Ayan po. And of course, marireceive nyo rin po itong mga package na itong pinabig niya. And may gusto po sa inyong message, ipadala si ma'am. And hayaan nyo po akong basahin to. Happy birthday, baby. Sorry I couldn't be there to spend your special day with you. But I hope you appreciate this little gift from me. Wishing you good health and many more birthdays to come. And hopefully I'll be soon for the next one. I miss you and I love you, baby. Ayan po. And of course, birthday po ni Sir Mako. Kaya po natin kantahan natin siya ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan po, may document. So, you're